I only buy the finest tea leaves. Zesta. See BOPF.
If BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Zesta, the art of tea.
Most Venerable Girambe Ananda Thera suggests that the leader of the UNP and opposition leader Ranil Wickremesinghe be brought before the working committee and an investigation be carried out on the acts of destroying the party and thereby administer a punishment on him.
The Anunayak of the Sri Lanka Ramanya sect made this suggestion in a letter addressed to the United National Party leader Ranil Wickremesinghe and the UNP working committee.
Most Venerable Girambe Ananda Thera says that he was made aware by media reports about the formation of an organization named the Samagi Balawegaya, created by the leader of the United National Party, citing several proposals including the executive presidency. The Venerable Thera pointed out that though this initiative is commendable, it is not being done with good intentions. Quote, the Most Venerable Madhulave Sobhita Thera and a group of intellectuals compiled a document citing the need to abolish the executive presidency and presented it to the Most Venerable Chief Prelates and other religious leaders and later presented it to society. At present, the society is being briefed on this matter by the Mahasangha and other religious leaders. Unquote. The Anunayak says that the United National Party meanwhile had compiled a draft hastily and had taken measures to present it to the public. The Most Venerable Thera says that this is yet another attempt to safeguard the UNP leadership, which is being disgraced by the society day by day, and to cover up the incompetence of the United National Party. Quote, thousands of persons who worked hard to protect the party have been chased away, citing various allegations. There are no seniors in the party. There is no organization. Today what is left in the UNP is leadership and persons who destroyed the UNP like Mangala Samarveera. The party is similar to a moving three-wheel. The United National Party is not in existence. Unquote. Therefore, in his letter, the Anunayak of the Ramanya sect requests that steps be taken to first obtain the support of all those who left the party and subsequently set up the United National Party Samagi Balawegaya. Quote, the amendment proposal presented by Most Venerable Sobhita Thera is temporary. This could be achieved with the support of the incumbent president. The proposal by the United National Party is an act to deceive the public. Under the present circumstances, the United National Party will not be steered towards victory for many generations to come. The proposal made by the United National Party can be viewed as a Machiavellian attempt to sweep the proposals put forward by Venerable Sobhita Thera under the carpet. Unquote.